All right, so in today's video, rather than extracting information manually through Google Business Profile listings, we're gonna use a platform called Outscraper to extract that information and extract it into an Excel format so that we can utilize it for our prospecting. All right, so let's get into it right now. All right, so I'm using Outscaper. All right, so we're gonna go into Google Maps Scraper, and it's the first step is category, and it's gonna be driving school. Oops, driving school. Okay, and then let's click next. Um, exact match. So we want the exact match. Ignore other categories. Okay, then click next. Um, we don't want United States. Let's do let's do New Jersey for now. Okay, we could tackle. I'm sure there's going to be a lot within New Jersey as well. So let's go. How do I? Oops. Let me see. Driving school next. Location. Nope, I don't want custom. I just want New Jersey for now. Maximum. Um, let's pick 300. Enhance results with other services. Email. So that's basically what we want. Is the main thing is we want emails. Okay. Now do we want others? Possibly phone numbers is a possibility. All right, so enhancement. You can switch the plane to search for places as you would search them. Okay. Just going through this like this is my first time. Okay. Cap your results. Exactly. Now, this gives you, I guess, specific packs, right? So that you don't have to go and do selectively. Okay. Um, email address verifier. So these are additional costs depending on per item. And then let's click next. Once you start by clicking next button, get data. Then if you need more help, find tutorials, right? So I have not looked at the tutorials. I'm going based off of basically what I'm seeing. Now, the only thing is if I want to, okay, all right, so lead. All right, so I see that there are various, um, main thing is email addresses. So this is 0.003 cents per contact. So if you have 300 contacts, that is going to be at a cost of, let me just do my calculator, pull up my calculator, 0.003 times 300, that's 90 cents. So pretty, I guess, affordable, not bad. Checks deliverability. So this even, you know, I already have a service that does that, but do I want, this service to be done here? I already have a paid service, which I already pay monthly. So if you don't have a service, then you can utilize this so that it can reduce email deliverability when you're using instantly, right? Um, so if I don't want this, then I can uncheck this, right? And I just want the emails. It'll put all the information, and then I can run my uh, database through. I use a service called ClearOut, and is it worth the time to go through that process, or is it worth, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, and I don't think I need this company insight. Returns the site about the phone number. I'm not going to call them at this point, so I don't think I need that. Um, I don't think I need that one. Phone number returns validates. So this is might be also a good thing if you're planning to send text message, so that way it ensures deliverability. I'm not at this point. This is let's see how much it's going to cost. 0.05. Whether I decide to use this. My main thing is right now I'm going to be sending out email campaign, and so if I find out that the email campaign, I do it and see what kind of return I'm getting or getting good responses. If not, then I may do a text message campaign. But you just got to be careful with text message campaign. That could be a little bit. So it's $1.50 for every 300. We're gonna go through a lot. I'm saying when you do these kind of campaigns, you can need a lot of data. So I may actually go for 1,000 actually, if there is even 1,000 within the state of New Jersey. Okay. Um, Part of a chain, adding a true false indication to your data for smarter targeting. Um, I'm not sure about that. And then built with this tells you about usually what the website is built on, whether it's WordPress. Um, this gives you reviews, sentiment, analyze reviews and comments. Um, Now, that's pretty, uh, 25 cents per, that's a lot, right? So um, I don't think I need this at this point. Because I'm going to do is just mass email to every driving school, Trustpilot, trust, um, disposable email, check origin. Okay, so let me see if this validates, checks deliverability and filters out blacklists. I may do, um, what I may do is I will see and compare the results of this email address verifier against clear and compare it. I may do that in another future video, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and pull this data. Now, the phone number, let me see, for the phone number is 1,000. I don't think I'm going to do that one, but just to give you some context as to how much it's going to cost, it's 1,000 times 0.005, that's $5. So $5 in the grand scheme of things, and it's not that much when you're talking about the amount of campaign that you're doing. But if you start to add, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, and you're setting mass campaign, it could add up. Right now, I don't think I really need it at this point um, to see whether the phone number is good or bad. Um, I'm just thinking whether I should even bother creating. Hold that thought for a second. I think we're just gonna go ahead and go and be laser focused on sending email campaigns, and then possibly follow up with those people that actually possibly clicked on the link to actually make the outbound call to them. Okay, I think that's a better strategies than sending text message at this point. If I decide to add a text message campaign, then um, I may just go ahead and actually it's going to have the phone number. I'll have to. The problem with HighLevel is that when you start sending a text message and it gets a certain percentage, gets what do you call it? Is not necessarily gets if people replying out or the phone number is bad, then it will get suspended. So I think I'm gonna just really focus on emails for the time being. Okay, and let's just go ahead and get the data, and it's going to see here pricing. So estimate 14 to 52 minutes. Google email contacts $2 and there's over 1296. So what I'll do is I'll go back and pull 1296. So because I limited to 1,000, so I'm gonna put 1,300 in there, and okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do 0, limited. Okay. Whoa, 6,000. Interesting. Um, 3,700, 5,000 contacts. All right, let's go with 5,000. Um, okay, and that would give me enough approximate. So basically, it's going um, based on it looks like towns, but we're just gonna go ahead and try it out. All right, so let's confirm, and we'll wait for that to complete.